Hey everyone, welcome back. And if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. I've got a couple things to cover in this video, but first and foremost, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for subscribing and continuing to come back. Because of that, we have broken the 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope that you continue this journey with me on the way to 5,000 subscribers and beyond. I've got a ton of content, new stuff, exciting stuff, interviews, community-based videos, and live streams coming up in 2019. I think you're really gonna like it and enjoy it. Again, thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing and continuing to come back time and time again and watch these videos. All right, let's move on. Okay, so the first thing that I want to share with you is I've decided to launch a second channel that is going to be focused around all things not RC or FPV. I'll put a link to it up above if you want to check it out. The reason that I've decided to do this is that throughout the past year, while making all of the tutorials and the build videos and all of the RC videos, there's been so much other content that I have wanted to create that doesn't really have a lot to do with RC or FPV. And I've created some of it. You've seen it on the channel. As a matter of fact, just yesterday, I posted a video from my trip to Leavenworth, Washington. Has nothing to do with RC, although we did use a drone in the end of it. By me separating that content, it allows me to have the flexibility to create content around other genres, but still focus on RC and FPV here on this channel. Okay, a sneak peek into one of the items I have coming shortly. I plan to do a monthly video based around suggestions from your comments left down below. So please leave some comments down below on content that you would like to see me create, specific builds, how-tos, Q&A, troubleshooting, whatever. Let me know. Leave those comments down below. I will be taking those comments and putting them into a poll for you to vote on. And then the topic with the most votes will end up being the video for that month. It's fun for everyone, and you guys have a direct input on the content that's being created. There's a lot more coming in 2019, including interviews, live streams, live Q&A, and so much more. So I really hope that you continue to join me in this journey. Thank you again to each and every one of you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up. Have a safe and happy new year, and I'll see you in 2019.